All right, go ahead and set it up, guys. Go ahead, Vivian, set it up. Open it up.
Yeah, just open it.
Go ahead and open it, Matt. Rip it open. Vivian, go ahead. Let Matthew open it. All right. Let's see everything there that it comes with. What's first, Zayden? All right. What letter is that? A? All right.
Happy birthday.
So there's H and then G, so they're connected. So the first one is which one?
A and this.
And then here there's an H. B, so that's the first one.
And then let's put the
Go ahead and help. Go ahead and look at Zayden and help her, Vivian. What's next? What color? Blue? So you have to put the blue in there? Go ahead.
Yeah, to hold that. Go ahead and see that.
It's okay, you don't have to hold it. While Zayden's doing this, Matthew, get the needle right there. Let me see it, Vivian. Show Matthew. Give that pump to Matthew. Matthew, see right here? Look over there. Look at the top. Take out that needle. Right here? No, right there. Open that up. Right there. Open that up. What's next?
and then you put B and A.
Gordy.
Screw it in. This way, look. Look, I'm gonna show you. Look. I know, Mama. Okay.
So you do this part.
Take it out. Like that. See? No. So, twist it. Like that. From this part. It's easier if you do it from here. Go this way.
Yeah.
There you go. Okay. Nice. It's kind of
What letters are you looking for?
Now this is
okay. So look at my feet.
B and H.
B and H?
I'm gonna turn it towards your uncle.
And then connect.
Oh, okay. Tell me how me. Good job.
So B and C goes right there.
And then Then we gotta do the other side.
You have to put the net in it first?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go ahead and take that out and put the net in it. Once you have a flat,
You need it for the ball.
and just snap it in. So on this side is an H, and we're gonna need to grab one that has the letter H on it.
For the H there. Or do you have it?
So we're gonna go ahead and this one through here.
Yeah, you need it.
Be careful. You gotta be careful with it.
Now it looks like this so far. All right. So now we're gonna go ahead and get the next piece.
And then
Right there, the one is Vivian's net.
here, let me see.
Vivian, get the ball and pump it. You and Matthew.
These two.
Do they need to be in the bag thing or in the net or no? Or just putting them together?
We're gonna blow up the ball, okay? Look. Pay attention. What letters do you
Which
have?
letter do you have?
D, E, and F.
D, E, and F? All right.
Yeah?
All right.
Who's that? Mine? Who? For who? For who?
Now what?
Is it Matthew?
What's next?
You kick it?
Yeah.
Let me see, kick it. Yeah, like that.
You gotta connect it and
Keep
put
pumping,
it
keep
together.
pumping. Careful of the string.
So this whole bar, the E bar, will actually go in the blue. And then the two connecting bars that have these will go here and there, but it would have the red in it. All right, go ahead.
Super baby.
Now go ahead and take this and put it in there.
Like this. Banana bike.
So we got it in the red, right? And now you're gonna snap it in. Twist it so it goes in the hole right here. Okay, now C goes into F. There it goes. There we go. Wait for the click and then go ahead and do the other side. Go ahead and go to the other side over here. almost done, Vivian. Hold on.
Okay.
Just ready. The red.
Oh, I didn't get
I think it's in the goal.
No.
Snap it in.
Cover that hook.
There we go.
Alright.
You got your ball?
Go ahead and
Alright, make it
Now-
roll. Kick it. Yay! Go! Okay, ready, set, go!
Alright.
Oh. Perfect height for 2-year-old.
Go ahead.
Yay!
Alright.